Hello, welcome to this video. Today we're looking at Google Apps. Click on the 9-box waffle. We're going to have a look at Vids. So I don't know how long Vids has been out, but it's the first time I've stumbled across it, so I thought we'd have a quick look through. So click onto Vids, opens a new window. You can see we've got a number of options, so similar to the sorts of things you'd see on other video creating services. So you've got the ability to convert slides into video. We can record ourselves or our screen. We can upload media from Drive. There are a number of templates that are available. We've got a storyboard option, and we've got the ability to create an 8-second clip using writing. So you can see across the top, we've got the option of different formats: landscape, portrait, and square. I'm going to go with portrait, and I'm going to have a play with this VO AI generation. Now, as it says there are limitations, as you'd expect with the free one, as to how many AI credits you have. So we're going to click on that. Let's give you a quick walkthrough of the menus. So we can title it up here, just as you do with your other Google Drive apps. So we'll just call it JK Demo Video. And then we've got the option. We've got new video on the file menu. We can convert slides, make a copy. We can share it. We can download it. We can export it to YouTube. We can rename it. So all the sorts of things you'd expect with Google Drive files. If we go to edit, we can undo. So typical controls, Command Z, etc. And we can copy and paste. We go to view, we've got the option to play. We can show timings. We can add closed captions and transcripts. And we can zoom in on the canvas. And then insert, we've got the option to insert various things. So we can add audio clips, we can upload stuff from our device, we can go to Drive and access stuff we have on our drive. We can also access stock and web images as well. So we've got captions, text, all sorts that we can add there. And then format, you've got the option obviously to format text and anything else that you want to add. And then in scene, we can add multiple scenes. We've also got the ability to duplicate and split scenes. So lots of functionality there. And then the final thing, we can obviously, as you would expect in sort of presentation and video tools, we can arrange and align the components in a different way within the frame. We can also group and ungroup stuff. So let's start by adding some text. So on the right hand side, we've got a number of options there. So we've got the VO option, which is the AI video clip. We've got the ability to do a voiceover, to add an image, to record something, to upload, access stock, captions and text as well. So we've got those menus, and we've got some inspiration at the bottom as well. So I've jumped on to Gemini. I've given it a prompt and it's generated some text for me. So I'm going to copy that text. Now, where I think it could work is if you're encouraging students to maybe write. So lots of students need to redo their GCSE English. This could be a way to inspire them to write, that they get to create a video. And as I say, there's lots of tools that you can create video from text, but this is what Google does. So I'm going to take my text, going to paste it into there, and then I'm going to click generate. And it'll give me a progress bar at the bottom, so I can see it's 10%. So we'll just let it do its thing, and I'll come back and show you what it's done. It then gives us a preview of the video, and we can just roll our mouse over it. We can preview it. We can also get a larger view. And if we like what we're seeing, we can click insert. If you want to get a preview of the whole video, then we can come up to the top right hand corner. We can hit play. Obviously, we can now, if we wanted to, we could add additional bits and bobs into there. So we could add some text if we wanted to have some text on the top. And we can double click, and what's really nice is the interface is very similar to the rest of the Google Drive offering. So you can So it's very straightforward to use. Anyone familiar with that will be familiar with the layout. So we've centered that. We'll maybe move it so it's up in the sky of the image. And we can change the color as well. So let's maybe pick a color that goes with that. And we can obviously do various other bits and bobs, but that'll do. It gives you a short walkthrough. When we're happy with that, we can hit play and it will give us a preview. And we can escape the video, click on the cross, and we can go back to our editor and we could carry on editing it. If we're happy with how it is, then we've got the option to download it, and we can download it as an MP4 or as a GIF. We've also, as you'd expect, got the option to either export it to Drive or to YouTube, or we can share it just as we would with other Google Drive apps. So there you have it, a quick look and walk through Google Vid. Hope you found the video useful. If you did, remember to subscribe to the channel and join me again soon for more EdTech videos. Thanks for watching.